Welcome to your own channel Civil Engineering X. Guys, as we have learned in part 1 what are the things to be defined for our simple residential building. In today's video we will be going to learn about how to do modeling of our building. So let us start. In this case you need to simply open your plan of your municipal drawing, and then you need to know the center to center dimension. So in the x-axis it's 10 feet 5 inch, 10 feet 5 inch and 7 feet 5 inch. So let us go to this screen and then right click to your mouse and then add or modify grid, and then modify or show grid system. The two things that we need to know is display grid as ordinate or display grid as spacing. So if you are adding up these things, for instance it's the center to center distance between AB is 10 feet 5 inch, and again the center to center distance between BC is 10 feet 6 inch. So if you use the display grid as ordinate, then you need to sum up these things. 10 feet 5 inch and again 10 feet 5 inch, it will be 20 feet 10 inch, and then again 20 feet 10 inch plus 7 feet 5 inch, 27 feet 15 inch. It will be towards the cumulating purpose. So we are going to be using display as spacing so that you can use center to center dimension between the grids. So 10 5, 10 5 and 7 5. It's 10 feet 5 inch, 10 feet 5 inch, 7 feet 5 inch. Again in case of y-axis it's 12 5 12, 12 5 12. Okay. After doing this our model will be formed as per the dimension that we have given. And then again we have to go to the story section. So again right click to the mouse and then add or modify grid, modifier show story data. Our building have the story of 1 2 3 and top floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor and roof floor. So base it's ground floor, first floor, second floor. If you need to add story, simply click here and then right click, add story, keep existing story height. Okay. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor and roof floor. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor and then top floor. The height from base to the ground floor is 5 feet, and then other is you can simply go and check in the elevation, 9 feet 5 inch up to the first floor. So 9 feet 5 inch, again 9 feet 5 inch, 9 feet 5 inch, 9 feet 5 inch, and then click on OK. Okay. Our 3D drawing will be looking like this. Now simply go to the plan and then go to ground floor and then OK. Now you can simply do the modeling. Go to this quick draw column plan here, quick draw column plan, and then select it. And in the property we can see its column here. So you can simply select all these things. Our column has been made, as you can see, also in 3D. Instead of placing one on one, you can simply select all and then place it as per the grid. After placing the column, the next thing is go to the base, select all, and then assign joint restraint, and then select this. Okay, now our base has been restrained, and we can simply close it. Now go to the ground floor. After going to the ground floor, we can simply draw a tie-beam plan. So click on this, and then again choose tie-beam instead of column, and then you can select individual tie-beam. Well, after making the tie-beam, then we need to replicate all these things to the upper portion. So now I am going to replicate in the upper portion there won't be tie-beam. So now I am going to select only column and then replicate it to all the floors. So for that, go to select properties, frame section, select column, and then go do Ctrl R for replicating, and then go to storage. We can simply see that all our column has been replicated up to our roof floor, and then go to the first floor plan, and now we have to draw a normal beam in case of our first floor. So let us draw a normal beam. I have tried to select it as well, but I don't know, it's not working. Why? So I am doing it individually. Well, now I have constructed beam in the first floor. Now I am going to select all the beams. So go to select, select properties, frame section, beam, select. All our beam has been selected, as you can see here. And then for replicating, go to Ctrl R, storage, second floor, third floor and top floor, apply, okay. We have seen, we can simply see that all our beam has been made here. Now go to the now let us draw a slab. Simply check that in this portion there is a staircase, so we need to omit slab in this portion. Now go to this, draw rectangular floor bar plan elevation, and then simply select the portion. And then in the property you need to choose slab. Today it's getting a bit slow. You can simply click and then the slab will be made simultaneously. We can see it's taking a bit time to load, and sorry for that. Well, now after this we can simply select, you can simply click on this slab and then select it, and then Ctrl R, apply, okay. Now let us go to the topmost floor, sorry. Now we can see in the top floor there is a slab in this portion also, and then let's simply see the plan. We can simply see that there will be slab in this portion only, and the slab in B to D, and then 4 to 2 will be omitted. So this slab, this and this will be deleted. And the B main column in this section, we can delete it too simply by selecting it. And our building looks like this. Go to the plan of first floor, apply, okay. Now we can see that there is some extension of 1 feet in this portion, and similarly there is extension in this section also. I guess it's 2 feet in here, so 1 feet in the backyard and then 2 feet in the front yard. So let me go to the, and there is total extension. So for that we need to draw points. So for that, go to draw and then draw joint objects. We can see the property of the objects, or the object we are going to draw is in mm, so we need to convert all our dimensions to mm. So towards this it's 1 feet, so 1 feet means it's about 300 mm. So or you can simply use a calculator. 1 into 0.3048. Sorry, it's not in x-axis, it's on y-axis. So after writing the dimension for 1 feet, you can simply click at grid point A. We can see the joints has been formed here. It's taking a bit time to load, so sorry for that, guys. So go to draw joint object, and in case of y it's, we know 1 feet is nearly equals to 304.80 mm. So after clicking it, go to the center and then just click it, and then joint will be formed here, as you can see. Now simply draw a slab from this joint towards the other end. You can simply click this rectangular portion and then draw a slab up to grid 4. We can see our slab has been formed, and simply to fit in this portion, so again go to draw joint object, and then again in y direction it's minus 600, and then click on here. Joint will be formed here, and then simply go to this rectangular section, and then let us check our plan. It's up to the wall, so click on the joint and then toss to the grid point D1. We can see our slab has been formed. Now let us select this and then replicate. After replicating it to all the floors, now let us go to the topmost plan. And then delete this. And again draw joint object, minus 600. Now our modeling of our building has almost been completed as per our architectural drawing. If you want to see it in extrude view, simply go to this click mark and then click on that portion, go to the object assignment, and then in general it's extrude frames, so tick marker here and then OK. And now we can simply check all the elevations. As whether it has been built as per our drawing or not. Now uncheck it and then go to object assignment. Let us check whether our the given name of beam and column is right or not. So simply go to the unit names. I guess it's the one, unit name, and then also label. It's not Okay, we need to check to this section, and then once check whether our drawing or our naming of our beam column is right or wrong. So let us go to the plan or elevation and then ground floor. Okay, now in the ground floor all these namings are tie beam, so it's correct. We need to do checking once before analyzing our model, so it's beam in all the case. Sometimes the naming might be incorrect. In this section it might be a tie beam or any other, so we need to, it's safe if we check our model once. I think the naming of column is also right in each and every case, so I think now our modeling of our building has been completed. Well, after the modeling of this building, we will go towards how to assign load. So in this, so I'm going to wrap up this video by only letting you know how to do the modeling of this building. So I hope you have learned how to do the modeling of the building perfectly. So if you have any queries towards the modeling of the building, you can simply go to the comments and then simply write your queries there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Have a good time.